Hello and welcome to Spoken English in 40 Days. I'm Emily, and I'm so excited to have you here. If you've always wanted to speak English confidently, you're in the right place.
And I'm David. In these 40 days, we're not just going to learn English, we're going to speak English. So, let's start talking from day one. Today's lesson is all about greetings and self-introduction.
Let's start with greetings. When you meet someone in English, you can say, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. These are simple but powerful.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Great. You're already speaking English.
Now, let's try using them in a short conversation. Hi David. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great.
Now let's move on to self-introduction. Here's how I do it. Hi, my name is David. I'm from Canada. I live in Dubai. I'm an English teacher. I like football and music.
And here's mine. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from the UK. I live in Abu Dhabi. I'm a student. I like reading and swimming.
Now it's your turn. Let's do it slowly together. Repeat after me, my name is. I'm from. I live in. I am a. I like. Now it's your turn. Let's do it slowly together. Repeat after me, my name is. I'm from. I live in. I am a. I like.
Let's do a simple conversation. Listen and repeat after us. Hi. My name is Emily. What's your name?
My name is David. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the UK.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
That's great.
That's how real people talk. You don't need perfect grammar. Just speak. Practice this short conversation again and again.
Here's your task for today. Introduce yourself 3 times, once in front of the mirror, once as a voice recording, and once to a friend or family member. Just speak.
You've already taken your first step. You're speaking English. That's amazing. Keep practicing and don't stop.
Tomorrow, we'll teach you how to ask and answer basic questions like, what's your name, and, where do you live? It will be fun and easy.
Thanks for listening to Spoken English in 40 Days on Everyday English Tip. Remember, speak a little English every day, and you'll go far.
See you tomorrow, and remember, every day is English Day.